How to make this clean transition on PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint and make a blank slide. Add an image using Format Background. First, add a circle shape. Zoom out on the slide and draw a rectangle shape to completely cover the slide. Right-click on the rectangle shape and select Send to Back. Select these two shapes pressing Shift key and select Combined. Remove shape outline and change color to black. Increase transparency using Format Shape. Now duplicate the slide and change shape position. Add your texts. Now select all slides and add Morph Transition.